UK government considers appeal after judge says act undermines post-Brexit human rights protection guaranteed in the region. So they are going to appeal the decision because a court in Northern Ireland said that the Rwanda bill undermines the human rights protection. So the cornerstone of British Prime Minister Rwanda deportation policy should not apply in Northern Ireland because it undermines human rights protections guaranteed in the region under post-Brexit arrangements, a High Court judge has ruled. So apparently in Northern Ireland they won't be part and parcel of this Rwanda plan because a judge has made it clear now that it undermines Human Rights Protection Act. So what does it tell you? It equally tells you that in nearby future a whole lot of lawsuits are going to be happening in the European Union Human Rights Court. It tells you that a whole lot of legal actions are being taken already, even when this Rwanda bill has not fully yet started. You can already see what is generating, not to talk of when it is fully in swing. You can already see it has not even started. People's rights are being disobeyed in terms of they are arresting people, detaining them, denying them access to smartphone because they don't want them to get in touch with charities to be able to get any form of help. Yes, when you talk, some citizens of their country will say that people that come to their country illegally does not have rights. Everybody have rights until a court has proven otherwise. Yes, and people's rights need to be respected. Because sometimes when they do some of all these things, they think that African leaders are not seeing what they are doing. African leaders are seeing all these things. That is when sometimes some strong African leaders or some strong leaders in other parts of the world, when they decide to trample on the rights of their citizens, and people from the West are coming to preach human rights to them, they don't listen because they are seeing all these things. Yes, on the side of UK, they have not even done their homework properly about what this will trigger in the future. This is just a short-time solution for the party of the Prime Minister and the government to win election, which they are even failing, and they will even still fail woefully. Yes, this short-time solution they see, the long-time problem that will come from it, if care is not taken, the current Prime Minister, this single act will haunt his political career for the rest of his political life. And even some of his party members that are supporting this bill or that are helping to propagate this bill, yes, if care is not taken, this single act will haunt their political career and their political life. Because this, you can't implement laws just because you're desperate to win elections without thinking of the future consequences. Yes, look at some universities are going bankrupt. Some British publics or British citizens are losing their jobs because the foreign students are no longer bringing the money. And you are not even listening. You are adamant because you want to win an election. We will see. We will see. It's only time will tell. At the end of the day, we will see how you're going to do on the national vote, which I already know that you and your party will fail woefully.